So, Namaste. Please welcome to our YouTube channel, Spiritual Health and Meditation. Today, we shall perform some pranayamas. You can put it as exercises also to enhance the capacity of our lungs. So these are simple exercises. Shall we start, please? You have to sit straight and lift both the hands straight up. Give a stretch to the upper portion of the shoulders. Stretch, that is, the hand should go slightly behind. It need not be straight, but there should be a stretch here. Stretch. You can keep your eyes closed or keep your eyes open. Look up slightly, breathe in and out 5 times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. You have to deeply inhale and deeply exhale. So this is method 1. Now, method 2. Lift both the hands up and in Anjali Mudra. That is Namaskara on top of your head. Try to keep the elbows straight. Broaden the shoulders. Relax as much as possible your face. But the upper portion of the shoulders should be stretched. The elbows are not straight, not an issue, but main thing is the shoulders should be stretched. Stretch the shoulders. Try to straighten the elbows as much as possible. Try to stretch the upper portion of the shoulders. Deep inhalation and deep exhalation 5 times. After finishing 5 times, please lower your hands. Now deeply inhale and exhale. You will see the difference in breathing. You will see the enhancement of the capacity of your lungs. Now the third method. Keep your palms on the upper shoulders behind your back. And elbows should be facing the ceiling. Biceps should be closer to the ears. Look up slightly. Inhale and exhale deeply for 5 times. Lower your arms and breathe in and breathe out deeply. You can make out the difference in breathing. The capacity of your lungs would have certainly increased. So we'll go in for another method. Fold your hands behind the back and sit absolutely straight. Now breathe in and breathe out 5 times. Look slightly up. Release your hands. Breathe in and out. You will find the difference. You will be breathing in and out with higher capacity. Now we are going in for another method of breathing in. So with the help of the right hand, take it above the head and close the left ear. Keep the head straight. Try to keep the head straight, please. Now with the help of the left hand, take it behind, and you should be able to, feel the left hand on the right side of your torso. Try to keep the head straight. Now breathe in and breathe out deeply for 5 times. Lower your right hand, release your left hand. Now take your right hand behind the torso and the left hand above the head, closing the right ear 5 times. Lower your left hand, release your right hand. Now there is another method. Hold both the hands above the head. Don't rest it on the head. Just square on the shoulders. Breathe in and breathe out 5 times. Lower both the hands. Now we'll do one more method of enhancing the capacity of the lungs. Bring both the hands and the elbows together, shoulder height. Breathe in, breathe out. Lower your hands. All these exercises I have done sitting. You can do the same exercises standing up. The 3 exercises which you can do lying down on the mat. So the first exercise what we did, you can keep the elbows and the hands above the head when you are lying down and breathe in and breathe out. That will be more effective. The other one is in Anjali Mudra, lying down on the mat. And the third one is holding the hands above the head, breathing in and breathing out deeply. So this can be done lying down also. This completes the exercises to enhance the capacity of our lungs. Thank you all very much for watching this video. Thank you. God bless you all. Take care. Namaste.